Last year, we did a huge makeover on our kitchen for only $1,000. I'll link that video if you missed it. There are a ton of great ideas on how to upgrade your space on a tight budget. Part of that makeover was sprucing up this built-in pantry.
A new snack shelf.
That's too low, too close to me.
And this brings me to my first tip out of 10 to make over your pantry for free. Tip number 1 is to paint with leftover paint. If you don't have any paint lying around, you can probably snag some on your local Buy Nothing group or neighborhood group. Paint makes such a big difference. Plus, it's easy to change if you don't like it. Tip number 2 is to shop your own home. I've said this before, but it's really so underrated. We're so used to immediately filling wants and needs with a click. Walk around your home with a fresh set of eyes. Look for bins, containers, and baskets that you're not using or using well and repurpose them. Recycle jars are also really great for decanting food or storing craft supplies. Tip number 3 is to clean out. Take out, wipe out, and throw out. Remove everything from your space, wipe everything down, and then toss any expired food. I even donated a bunch of unexpired food on our Buy Nothing group. Tip number 4 is to consolidate. If you're organizing a cluttered pantry, chances are that you have multiples of the same item, and they're all open. To save space and sanity, merge them together. Tip number 5 is to sort like items and group them into containers or baskets. This makes it easy to find items later and helps prevent things from migrating or shifting. Tip number 6 is to return all of the items back. Keep your like items grouped, but store them with the tall items in the back and short in the front with labels facing forward so it's easy to see everything. Tip number 7 is to keep your existing grocery store plastic spice containers. Buying matching ones look really aesthetic, but it can get quite pricey. Unify them by removing the labels. We use Glue Gun to peel them fairly quickly.
Definitely not ready yet. What is that?
Clothes.
dirt. Is it dirt? It looks like and feels like dirt. Why is it so yellow?
Tip number 8 is to label those spice containers with consistent labels. This also helps to make it easy to find what you're looking for because the font is the same and the name is in the same place. Tip number 9 is to simply refresh. Sometimes you don't need to do anything drastic. Just wiping everything down and returning it just a little bit tidier can make a big difference. On the side. And tip number 10 is to restock low items. Once you've grouped and reorganized, it's easy to see what you're low on. As I'm restocking here, I also want to point out that accessibility equals functionality. Things you grab on the go, like snacks, are good to put at hand level, and spices, which you'll see in a moment, are easy to see at eye level. Let us know your top tip for making over a space for free. We'd love to read it and gain ideas for our next project. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!